Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk to you about the fantastic line of Keystone Springdale fifth wheels. They range in overall length from a few inches over 30 feet up to nearly 35 feet. As far as dry weight, they run from just over 7,800 pounds up to close to 9,000. The first two Springdale fifth wheels we'll be covering today are both rear entertainment floor plans. That means their back wall has a big TV on it. First up is the Springdale 253 FWRE. The back wall of the 253 is like a dream den. A 40-inch TV sits above a fireplace with a brick surround. To fully enjoy this setting, the 253 FWRE has opposing slides opening up the living area. On the camp side, the large slide pulls out the trifold sofa and the dinette. Opposing this, there's a slide housing a pair of swivel rockers. The kitchen is large and L-shaped with a lot of additional counter space. The second rear entertainment floor plan is the 272 FWRE. The 272 has two slides instead of three. The bedroom and bath are very similar to the 253. Where the 272 really differs is in the living area. A large off-campside slide pulls out the trifold sofa and dinette, with the trifold sofa directly across from a massive entertainment center. The 272 also has an outdoor kitchen. Both the 253 and 272 FWRE are capable of sleeping 5. The sole Springdale fifth wheel that's family-focused and capable of sleeping up to 8 is the 300 FWBH. Sharing the back of the RV, the 300 has double-over-double bunks and a half bath. Next to the bunks on the campsite is an impressive entertainment center. There are a pair of slides. One, the wardrobe linen closet in the bedroom, and the other, a living room slide housing a sofa and dinette. Last of the Springdale fifth wheels, but certainly not least, is the 302 FWRK. While the layout up front is the same as the rest of the Springdale fifth wheels, the back end is not. The back wall is all kitchen with a large fridge rolling into a massive inverted J countertop that provides a world of prep space. If you prefer to cook outside, the 302 also has an outdoor kitchen. Two living area slides oppose one another and really open up the space. A large entertainment center sits directly across from theater seats that share a huge slide with the dinette. To add some more comfort and handle a couple overnight guests, a trifold sofa sits perpendicular to the theater seats. The Springdale 302 FWRK is capable of sleeping 5. Now I'll dig a bit deeper and present some great features to be found on Springdale fifth wheels. You'll find 50 amp service, 13,500 BTU ducted AC with thermostat, in-floor duct heating, central monitoring panel, and a slew of more camping conveniences. Regarding entertainment, Keystone Springdales each have a large living area TV, a multimedia center with a DVD player, and Springdale fifth wheels are 4G LTE and Wi-Fi ready. In the kitchen, you'll discover features such as full extension ball bearing drawer guides, upgraded pressed countertops, large single basin undermount sinks with high-rise residential style faucet, solid hardwood cabinetry, and much more. On the exterior, you'll find E-coated corrosion-resistant wheels, LED adjustable power awning, mega pass-through storage compartment, and backup camera prep, among several other items. The Keystone Springdale line of fifth wheels covers a healthy amount of camping wants and desires, and I'm confident you'll be able to find a Springdale fifth wheel you'll love to take on your camping adventures.